Hello and welcome to Jupiter Futures. In this video, we will cover Nasdaq Futures daily chart analysis. The Friday closing was at 25,166. The day low was 24,709. So nearly 350 points of recovery from day low on the Nasdaq Futures happened on Friday, which is considered bullish. And we have a short-term buy signal here after the correction, a buy signal that can take the futures back towards 25,550 and 25,600. So this Friday setup gives a long trade for this coming week starting Monday with a target 25 500, 25 550, 25 600. And if we get price corrections between 25,100 and 24,800 this week, prices that go inside this wick can be used for buying for a target of 25,500 to 25,600, because based on the past behavior of Nasdaq futures, if the prices were to go in this wick, they will ultimately come back up towards this 25,500 level. That's the analysis. However, you need to keep a stop loss. The stop loss should be kept at 24,700, which was the low of Friday. Okay, and so therefore consider this as a long trade, uh, but because we are below the 8-day EMA, the position size has to be carefully managed because this is a counter trend trade, and therefore the position must be relatively small to medium, cannot be a large position at all. A large position will be justified on the long side when we are above the 8-day EMA and the 8-day EMA itself is a rising pattern. For example, here on 23rd October, a green candle rising 8-day EMA closing above, that's a good position to have long. And as the green candle gives a follow-up green candle, we can add to the long position here because things are moving in our favor, and that's exactly what we did. And uh, as long as we are traveling above, we can keep adding, and once we have gone up sufficiently away from the 8-day, we can even take the profits away. And that's what we were doing. That's a place where you can have longer or larger positions, but not at this level. This is below the 8-day MA. There is a weakness. Some of the larger corrections tend to come below the 8-day EMA. So therefore, not to take very large positions. But however, this does give an indication of a long trade here. So keeping a stop loss of 24,700, we can aim for 25,500. Thank you very much.